Hello students! So last week you guys created a story and you learned about what an author uses to make a great story and all of the elements they use. So this week you're going to get to apply all the things that you learned into becoming an author yourself and creating your very own story. So I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. I'm going to show you how to use this awesome resource called Storybird, and then I will also post a video that tells you all the directions and the information pertaining to your story. So how many characters you need, the plot, the theme, and what your story should be about, and all those guidelines. But that will be in another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to use Storybird. So you're going to go to .com. And then you are going to go to sign up for free trial, and it will take you to this screen right here. And you need to keep note that you have 7 days to use this website. It will only take you 2 to 3 days to create your story, but you need to do that within the 7-day free trial, so your trial doesn't run out and I get to see your story. So you're going to go to Student, and you're going to sign up with your username, your password, and then you'll enter your email. This can be your Google Classroom email, your parents' email, or an individual email that you have. And once you do that, you'll verify your email, and then you will get to sign up. So I'm just going to enter all my information. And it will take you to the home screen. Now you need to take note that this website, you have 6 days left to use it, and every day it'll show you up here how many days left. So you really need to pay attention to how many days left you have to use this website. So up here at the top you will see the word Write, and it will have a drop down menu, and then you will click on Picture Book because we're creating a picture book. So before you log into this website, I want you guys to outline all of the things you need. Your characters, your theme, your storyline, what words you're going to put on what pages. And that will all be in the other video instructions under storybook instructions. So I want you guys to have all those things before you even sign up for this website. That way when you go to pick your images, you have an idea of what images you want to use because you know what your story is about. And look at all these awesome images they give you to use. So if you want to find an image, you just go up here. What should I make my book about? Let's do whales, you think? And look at how many illustrations they have for whales. I'm going to click on this one, and it will take you to your own book. So this is awesome. This is our title page. We'll call it Whales. And if we don't want this picture, we can easily go to another picture and just drag it over to replace that picture. And you can do that with every page. So down here, you will find all of your pages. So this is our first page. And we just drag a picture over and place it on the screen. And then you can type whatever you want in this text box. And every 10 minutes you should save your story. That way if your internet gets cut off or you accidentally click a button, your story is right where you left it. So you should always be doing that. And then you can easily save and exit. You can either save it to a draft, or if you're done, you need to publicly publish your story. That way, when I go to find your story, I can look it up and I can view it. So you're going to do publicly, and then you're going to tell a book summary, so what you want the person to see, just a summary of your book, and then the categories you want to put it in, if you want any tags, and then submit. And that is how you do your very own story. Thank you guys for watching my video today, and I cannot wait to see all of your wonderful stories.